Imagine if you could spin silk stronger than steel, tougher than Kevlar, and finer than human hair, all from your own body. That's the power hidden in the spider bloodline. Spider silk is a biological marvel. It's lightweight, stretchable, and absorbs more energy before breaking than almost any material humans have invented. Scientists have tried everything: lab-grown proteins, synthetic fibers, even genetically modified goats to match its properties. But even our most advanced materials still fall short of the effortless perfection spiders achieve daily, weaving nature's unbreakable threads.